Welcome to one of the most desirable communities in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. This is Oyster Point. Come take a look. This neighborhood is known for its newer homes, a plethora of oak trees, and fabulous neighborhood amenities. There is so much to love about this Mount Pleasant neighborhood, including its dock, beautiful pool and clubhouse, fitness center, and outdoor covered fireplace area. The convenience factor you'll feel living in this particular neighborhood within Mount Pleasant makes it a perfect place to call home. Walk, golf cart, or take a quick car ride to all of your everyday needs such as Harris Teeter, grocery store, a dog groomer, restaurants, and of course, the beach is just a few miles away. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions whatsoever, just message me, and don't forget to like our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels.